It's Denny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my high puff. So right now all I'm doing is taking my spray bottle and wetting my hair so I can move on to the next step.
Hey Bendel, I was wondering, are you still taking me to Tokyo?
I might just take your hoe, take that hoe to Tokyo. She say she wanna play her, so I did her as a favor. I did. Skirt off in that foreign skirt.
Kinky Girlies Not Today leave-in detangler and putting it all through my hair.
I might just take your hoe, take that hoe to Tokyo. She see a nigga ballin', I'm about to shoot my 2 free throws. Yeah, I'm piping shorty, and I ain't talking on the low. Yeah, I'm piping shorty, make her tap out like Chris Jericho.
Moisturizing curl activated cream and putting that all through my hair.
But I wake up every morning, eat her like some cereal. She rob me like a merry-go, got her wet like Ariel. Ooh, kill him, like that nigga Terrio. If she throw it, I'ma catch it, oh, they'll back, I will. If she throw it, I'ma catch it, oh, they'll back, I will. If she throw it, I'ma catch it, oh, they'll back, I will.
My spray bottle is spraying water on the perimeter of my hair so I can get it right, because I'm the latest hair down.
She do what a nigga say, just like I'm Simon. Necklace water bending, just look at my diamond splash. Man, I'm up next, can't you tell by how I'm rhyming?
Adding the gel to my hair, so I'm taking my soft bristle brush and my Eco Styler Argan Oil gel and putting that on the front and the back of my hair.
No pattern, no pencil. Grinding for my kinfolks, the adventures of boy Bendel. Why you niggas hate? Why? Maybe cause I fuck on twins, Ashley, Mary, Kate. Pull up with twin pistols, call it double date. Shoot that shit like Russell, cause I do not hesitate.
So I'm taking my stocking, I had an old pair of stockings and I just cut the legs out of them to use, but you can also use knee highs from Walmart. They're like 50 cents for 2. So as you can see, I tied the stocking around my head and I am rolling it up in the back to the position where I want it to be, and then I'm taking the 2 pieces in the front and I'm pulling them to the desired look that I want. And after I pull and smooth it out like I want, I take the 2 front ends and I tuck them under the back piece so you can't see them. I would suggest using stocking or knee high that is the same color as your hair, so people can't see it. Olive Miracle Growth Oil and putting that on my puff so it can, be shiny and moisturized.
If she throw it, I'ma catch it, oh, they'll back, I will. If she throw it, I'ma catch it, oh, they'll back, I will. If she throw it, I'ma catch it, oh, they'll back, I will. If she throw it.
Puff out, but I lost my pick, so I'm just using my detangling comb and kind of puffing it out.
What a nigga say, just like I'm Simon. Necklace water bending, just look at my diamond splash. Man, I'm up next, can't you tell by how I'm rhyming? So she pop it like a pimple.
Be doing my edges. So basically, I take my toothbrush and comb out my edges, and then I take my gel and slick them back.
Grinding for my kinfolks, the adventures of boy Bendel. Why you niggas hate? Why? Maybe cause I fuck on twins, Ashley, Mary, Kate. Pull up with twin pistols, call it double date. Shoot that shit like Russell, cause I do not hesitate.
Step to this style is to let your edges sit, so I just take my old scarf and wrap it around my head and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Usually I do my hair first before I do my makeup or anything, but today I'm not doing any makeup. As you can see, I'm showing you guys my bare face. So I'm just putting a lip gloss on today, and I'm using my Sephora lip gloss in the color Peach. I tried to show y'all, but I don't know why I did that. But after I do that, I am going to take my scarf off. Usually it takes me about 15 to 30 minutes to get ready, depending on the day. So that's how long I let my hair sit. You can do it longer or less time if you want, but I just do about 15 minutes. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm piping shorty, make her tap out like Chris Jericho. You niggas
Hope this video was helpful for y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.
Kill him like that nigga Terrio. If she throw it, I'ma catch it. Oh, no, back I will. If she throw it, I'ma catch it.